Have you ever been captivated by the dreamy, light-filled colors of an Impressionist painting? The soft pastels of a quiet morning, the fairy glow of sunset shimmering on water, or how a simple garden scene feels alive with energy and emotion? The Impressionist movement, born in the late 19th century, revolutionized how we see the world. These artists weren't just painting what they saw, they paint what they felt. With bold color palettes, loose brush strokes, and a deep fascination with light, they captured fleeting moments of beauty that still move us today. In this video, we will explore 5 simple but powerful ways to bring that same magic into your photography. By learning to see color the way the Impressionists did, you will unlock new creative possibilities and start capturing images that not only document a scene, but also express its soul. So, if you are ready to paint with light, blend emotion with color, and embrace your inner Impressionist, let's dive in. To understand how to use color like Impressionists, we first need to step into their world, a world bathed in light and alive with vibrant hues. Impressionist painters like Claude Monet, Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and Camille Pissarro broke away from traditional art's muted earth tone palettes. Instead, they embrace pure, intense colors, which shimmered with life and energy. But it wasn't just about using bright colors, it was about how they mix and layered them. Shadows weren't gray or black, they were filled with color. Sunlight wasn't just white, it was a cascade of golden tones, pale pinks, and shimmering blues. As photographers, we can learn from this approach. Start looking at the world not in terms of objects, but in terms of color and light. Pay attention how colors change throughout the day, from the soft pastels of dawn to the rich, saturated tones of dusk. Notice how sunlight bounces off surfaces, how reflection dances in the water, and how shadows hold surprising hints of color. If the light is the soul of Impressionism, then color is its voice, whispering or shouting, depending on the mood. Impressionist artists were masters at using color to evoke emotion. They didn't just paint what they saw, but how it felt. These colors weren't chosen randomly, but carefully selected to create a specific atmosphere. As photographers, we have the same power. Want to create a sense of warmth, energy, or joy? Embrace rich reds, oranges, and yellows, the colors of sunshine and blooming flowers. If you are aiming for a more peaceful, contemplative mood, lean into cooler tones, like soft blues, greens, and purples. But don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes an unexpected color combination can spark the most powerful emotional response. And remember, it's not just about what's in front of the lens. It's about what you feel when you take the photo. Let the feeling guide your use of color. Let it flow into your images. While color brings emotion to an image, composition is what gives it form. Like the brush strokes of a painting, guiding the viewer's eye through the scene. Impressionist artists approached composition with a sense of freedom and spontaneity. They often broke away from traditional, rigid structures, focusing instead of capturing the flow of life as it happened. Figures were sometimes cropped, horizon shifted, the rules were bent or even ignored in favor of expression and movement. But even with that freedom, there was intention. You can apply the same ideas to photography. Think of your camera as a paintbrush. How you frame your subject can completely transform the energy of your image. A single curved shoreline or a cluster of blossoms in a corner can all lead the eye and evoke a sense of rhythm. Impressionistic composition isn't about perfection, it's about feeling. It's about creating images that invite the viewer to pause, wonder, and feel what you felt in that moment. By now, you've seen how powerful color can be, not just as a visual tool, but as a way to express mood, light, and emotion. You've explored how the Impressionists used vibrant palettes, expressive compositions, and the magic of natural light to capture the world not as it is, but as it feels. Now it's your turn. Whether you are photographing a quiet stream bathed in morning light, a field of white flowers swaying in the breeze, or a city street glowing at sunset, look beyond the subject. Look for the color, the light, the feeling. Don't be afraid to experiment. Let your creativity wander. Embrace soft, focused, bold hues, layered textures, and the unpredictable beauty of changing light. You are not just taking pictures, you are creating art. Want to dive even deeper into the magic of color? Then I invite you to check out my book, The Vibrant Palette of Color: Unlocking the Magic of Hues. In it, I take you on a journey through the world of color, exploring how hues influence mood, spark creativity, and bring your photography to life. This book has practical insights and visual inspiration to help you see and use color like never before. Link in the description below. If you enjoyed this journey, I'd love to see what you create. Share your images in our Facebook group. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new creative tip. Until next time, keep chasing the light and keep creating beauty.